Got one little peep that didn't make it in the tree with his brothers and sisters and his mom and dad. See, they're all up here. Cody, stop! Stop! Cody! Oh man, somebody go help your brother. Brother's down here, man. Oh, two of them. Oh, here comes Mama now. Yeah, coming down to help out. There's two. The one. Pobrecitos. Aw. Now what about the one still in the tree? Oh no. Pobrecito. Now what? Now what? Now he's squawking. Alright, we're gonna leave you alone. We're gonna leave you guys alone, so you go. 3, 2, oh, it just came down. You see him fall out? Just flew out of the tree. Bang.